What's up, everybody? I'm back with a new video for the new year of my Husky 41-inch toolbox. Where do I start? I guess, with videos, everyone always starts with, oh yeah, here's a new ratchet and socket drawer and all that. Here's all my few ratchets, half-inch, quarter, adapters, extensions, palm ratchets, all my sockets, little metric socket and bits. Over here I got an extendable half-inch breaker bar. Use it when I need it. Half-inch Husky click type torque wrench. Bit set for a 3/8 ratchet. Let's see. Up here I got a few things. Milwaukee M18 batteries over here. A couple chargers. Flashlights. The instructions for tool that I recently bought. I got the 4-piece Mac Tools pry bar set in green. Here's the part number right here. One drawer down. Wrenches. Just I don't have a lot, but it's it does what I need. Adjustable over here. Over here in this drawer, it's just basic, just catch-all junk drawer, whatever you want to call it. One down. It's just some more pry bars, hacksaw. This is all my grandfather's tools that he left me. One down from that. Scrapers, files, measuring tape. I got the Mac Go guide just before Christmas. I got this from Mac as a gift, as like a, what was it, like a buy, cause it's one thing and you can get a gift with that. So I bought the pry bars because I'm gonna need it, and they gave me this as a gift. Let's see, over here, Milwaukee Impact 3/8 impact socket, 43-piece extra impact sockets. Sonex half-inch impact. The most frequent one I use is 1 7/16". Let's see, down here, drill bits. No, I'm sorry. Bit accessories, titanium drill bits, pack out. If I can get this open with one hand, but it's basically for like your impact driver, half-inch drill, titanium bits, and other pack out related stuff. Back to this drawer, which I forgot something. Mac ratcheting wrenches, standard and metric ratcheting, and with the flex head. Ratchets, flex head. Let's see. Down here, hammers, Husky, some of my grandfather's old tools before he passed away. Other miscellaneous things, oil filter, Knipex, wire cutters, hose picks from Matco, a hose removal tool from Matco, which I actually saw in a Toolbox Tours video. Here, part number, in case you're curious. Blue Point oil filters, another pry bar, oil filter I got off Amazon, shrink wrap tape, blue tape for bottom painting. Let's see, zip ties, paint brushes, wire, wool, steel wool for whatever, 80 grit sandpaper for whatever. This toolbox, in case you're wondering what it is, here is, what it's, everything. 41 and all that. Here's the measurements and all that. Part number. Other miscellaneous stuff, sockets, Allen keys, stuff for my respirator, more wrenches, other miscellaneous stuff. Oh, it's down here. A couple more battery chargers, pipe wrenches, knee pads, a Noco jump box. And it's actually been a good purchase in my book. Over here, I got your pliers, flush cuts, double jointed needle nose from Channel Lock, or Crescent. Sorry. Everything else is Husky, vice grips, some more tools from my grandfather. Mac impact screwdriver. Haven't used it yet. This was a new purchase last year. Here's your part number for that 1/2 inch. Comes with, the bits, long and short. I'll fix that later. Screwdrivers, some stuff I bought, picks. Some of it's, like I said, my grandfather's. In here is all my battery powered. And if anybody remembers, I did a tool review on this. Still, in my book, a great purchase. Yes, you can call me a Milwaukee fanboy if you want. It doesn't bother me. The 1/2 inch impact gun, 3/8 stubby, little M12 light with a quarter adapter, wire brush. Well, I'm sorry. Brain fart. Right angle die grinder. That's the word I was looking for. Let's see. One more down. If I can get open. More miscellaneous shit I have in this catch-all drawer. Hole saw case with some hole saws I haven't used yet, but it's there if I need it. Also with this toolbox, I have up here, I got the outlets. It's like 6 outlets on here, plus the 2 for USB. I use this for when I do shrink wrapping. When it's winter storage time. But I've had this box, I don't know, 3 years, 2 years, 3 years. Something like that, 2-3 years, and for the price I paid for it, you can't beat it. Trying to think, what else is there? Do I have anything Oh, just random extension cord for whatever I need. This little string right here, I have it tied up there, so if I have this open and I want to close it, I just, sorry about the close-up. Just pull it down and there you go. That's basically my box. It does the job for what I need. Nothing crazy. And I got most of my stuff from Home Depot. Obviously Mac. The socket rails that I have, I got from Snap-on. Mac. Let's see. I bought the light, the 3/8 stubby, and the right angle die grinder. This was off of Matco. This was off of Mac. The right angle die grinder was off of Mac. Not that. Matco, Amazon, Snap-on, and anything I have in here that's Craftsman related, I got from off of Amazon, just for a 450 piece tool set for like $250, something like that. But for the almost 6.5, almost 7 years I've had, my Craftsman tools, anything, like I said, anything in here that's Craftsman related. Yep. I've had for almost 7 years. This Husky 1.5-inch wrench was the very first Husky tool I ever bought. So, all in all, I maybe have, if I had to put a price on everything, maybe a minimum of $8,000, minimum. But like I said, some of it was inherited, some bought over the years, and I know I have a couple tools that aren't in here. I know I did a tool review on the 50-piece Husky quarter drive set that's normally right here. That's in the small shop. My 3/8 ratchet one extension I have in the small shop. Let's see, what am I missing out of here? Okay, a couple Allen key bits, because right now what I do for work is I work in a boatyard, and been here for almost 4 years, but that's another story for another time. So, as they always say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with friends, send me feedback, your opinions, your questions. I have no problems answering questions. If you want to, me to do something else down the road, leave it in the comments. Feel free to, say something, ask me something. So, again, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.